Welcome back to the Mental Picks channel, and today a new topic is going to be Amazon returns. It's going to be related to damaged returns, which one Amazon customers sending back to you or to fulfillment by Amazon warehouses. And obviously if some damages appearing on a boxes like this, let's say example, check this out, it's just without opening is automatically pops out like crazy. So this is ridiculous damage situation with this stuff. Like you see some proper damages on item itself, box, and when customer was returning back as this order back, I don't know the reason, actual reason, needs to check my seller central account, but check this out. So basically Amazon putting shipping stickers on actual box itself, on actual item, and shipping back to the, let's say to me seller, or whatever is required to be sent addresses, or whatever is your settings set up. And obviously I'm checking inside item itself. Item itself is in good shape, good condition, looks like brand new actually. I'm double checking insides, obviously checking if it was in usage or not. This one looks like one time someone was touching that with oil, but yeah, needs proper checks. And obviously what I can do with that situation, when I'm receiving items like this, I can guarantee you this, for this situation I'm gonna get full refund from Amazon itself. Obviously customer was receiving refund straight away, but after myself when receiving at my premises this item, I noticed it straight away. This damage, shipping labels on top, box itself damaged, item is used. And what I'm gonna do with that situation, I got this slip, which one is exactly noted one item of Russell Hobbs sandwich toaster. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a couple of photos of damages of used item. Looks like some parts missing, so that's good sign to get full refund. I'm gonna do photo of this one slip, and I'm gonna open new case with Amazon itself stating you damaged our goods, our inventory, which one was shipped to Amazon FBA, which one was confirmed as received in good shape, good condition, sellable condition, and I'm receiving this rubbish, which one is with everything is properly damaged, let's say. So, and I'm requesting full refund for this specific item. And they're gonna come back to you one time, two times, three times, maybe four times when you're reopening the case, let's say, denying till you reaching proper customer service staff member, which one is checking properly these damages, your actual case, and most likely they're gonna confirm your refund. Obviously they're gonna confirm very similar like your purchasing prices, but sometimes they confirming automatically just for what price it's selling at Amazon listing, and they just refunding that amount to your account stating that was your refund for damaged goods. So this is one example of this toaster only. So what else we can do with returns? Let's say like this one. See this bag? It should be in this box, but it's not. Looks ridiculous, yeah? Actually, when I was receiving in that packaging, I was shocked. I was saying to Royal Mail staff member, I said, are you sure that's for me even this item? Because it's not looking what I was actually purchasing from local retailers. And this was from Tesco, local Tesco's. And check this out, what customer sending. So another one, a ridiculous situation, which one obviously missing actual box in this package. Actual item is used. So what I'm gonna do with that situation? Obviously another one case, which one I'm gonna reopen till proper staff member check it properly, and I'm gonna get my money back basically. Again, I need my slip, like previously I was showing this slip from toaster. I need the same one, which one it should be in this bag. I wasn't checking yet, I'm just leaving it closed, but it should, and it is, like you see. Always look for your slip. So slip should be done photo 2 of slip itself as confirmation as return was shipped to your premises. And basically doing these photos, the statement is going to be very easy. no original packaging, missing some parts and some rubbish in it. Easy like that. I'm not gonna pretend I received my item. I'm not gonna do that. I know what response is gonna be after that. They're gonna state like, oh yeah, listen, you received your item, we cannot do nothing. Stop doing that. Don't do that. Go straight to the points which one gonna give you refunds. Is that's not my actual item or missing parts or stolen parts. Just go straight to the points. Don't play games with Amazon. Another one example is very small. Let's say this recent one, Tesco liquidations. Really nice profitabilities on these items, sold loads of them. And again, like you see, shipping label was dropped on top, so it's ridiculous how they're doing that. But I got some proof, let's say, and some should be slip inside, I think, and we got slip too. So I'm gonna do some couple of photos, and again, new case basically. What else we got? Who's selling groceries? Who's a VAT register? I know you guys selling loads of groceries because it's zero VAT sales, and I got that too basically. What I'm doing with grocery stuff, coffee, let's say, coffee expired dates. What I'm doing with this inventory, I'm returning back before obviously expiring. Couple of weeks left. I'm returning back to my premises from Amazon itself, and I'm checking the dates, and I'm just obviously understanding I'm late. I cannot do nothing much with that situation. And what I'm gonna do with that stuff? Majority of people gonna be donating to local charities or to your neighbors, let's say. What I'm doing, I'm selling that stuff on eBay, guys, on eBay. Like this one is just sold on eBay recently. This whole pile sold on eBay. You know what's strangest thing about that situation, groceries? It's like this example is expired February 2023. So it's more than 1 year ago expired this day. And I created listing on eBay stating expired dates, exactly stating these date numbers on eBay listing, and selling to the eBay customers basically cheaper than RRP prices, obviously for obvious reasons, but I'm liquidating that inventory to the new customers, which one is sitting on eBay accounts. Another one, different coffee, again sold recently on eBay, again for £8, these 2 sets. So I think it's normal price when expiration date is over 1 year. It says January, February, March 2023. Again, sold on eBay. Ridiculous. Sounds ridiculous, but that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm always repeating to you. I'm selling expired stuff on eBay. Always. And it's selling. Most of the time it's selling, guys. Another one, supplements. What you're gonna do with supplements? Which one is expired? Again, this came from United States, from my good friend Raffaello. Raffaello, shout out to you from United States. He was just sending from Amazon expired stuff to me, and basically what I'm doing with that stuff, just selling on eBay, guys. Again, on eBay. Expiration dates is 2024-05. So a couple of months ago it's expired stuff. Supplements, what is this? Sport hydration, something like that, related like this stuff. And obviously I created on eBay listing and sold it, stating expired date a couple of months ago on listing itself, and people buying still. Till you can provide good cheap prices on eBay, people buying on eBay everything basically. For good prices they buying everything. So this is the best place is for liquidations, eBay. What else I got? This stuff, it was returned from Amazon customer. This is expensive stuff, about 50, 60, maybe 80 pounds you can get on Amazon sometimes. I paid about 20 pounds at local retailer. Not sure which one, maybe Lidl, I'm not sure, or maybe B&Q, I'm not sure. But what I'm gonna do with that, I was opening this box. Obviously it looks a little bit dusty, I need to clean it, but something is not working with that stuff. So what I'm gonna do that, I'm just gonna go back to the same actual store, gonna get new one item and gonna replace that item, because I cannot return it, let's say after 1 year, whatever, if I don't have proper receipts stating that, you know, like it's difficult to get these, how to say, to exchange that in actual store if there is no statement stating you got 1 or 2 years refund policy. So what I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna purchase new one, replace that one, return it back to the store itself, because if it's damaged, it's damaged, so it's technical issues or whatever. I'm gonna do like that. There's multiple options what to do with returns. Stuff like this. What is this? No added sugar, Alpen, obviously some breakfast stuff related to healthy living or whatever. That's not expensive. It's sets of 6, sets of 4, and obviously what I'm gonna do that again, expired stuff, eBay, guys, eBay, or using myself. I like this stuff, I'm gonna use by myself, but you can easily sell that on eBay, guys. Just scanning barcode or actual manual search, Alpen, no added sugar, and whatever other keywords, and you're gonna get examples for how much it's selling. Obviously you're reducing the price because it's expired, and that's how you're selling expired stuff on eBay. Till you clearly stating on listing itself it's expired, it's going well, no issues, and customers are happy, leaving positive reviews. Similar stuff with this one, which one is Amazon was restricting this ASIN because of the safety paperwork wasn't providing, or whatever that request was requested by Amazon itself. Listing was closed, and I'm getting back this inventory, which one is close to expirations. What I'm going to do that with that stuff? eBay. Again, eBay. Very easy. Sales going to be just reducing a little bit prices to get my back some money in it, and that's it. Selling on eBay. What else I got? Toys, again, very popular stuff to be sold on Amazon, and there is a couple of toys coming back always, constantly, as returns. And this one is Piggies from Sainsbury's. If someone is remembering my old videos, I was sourcing at Sainsbury's and showing you in this YouTube videos. Again, this is dirty one, so needs to clean it. I was checking, looks like customer wasn't happy with that stuff, but it's working, guys. It's working conditions, in good condition. Obviously a little bit dirty stuff. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe it off and create eBay listing basically, or send it back to the actual Amazon itself again, guys, because sometimes happens by mistake, these returns coming back to the seller premises itself, because Amazon staff members is not so professional, let's say, and they're doing some mistakes, and sometimes noticing, okay, this one is dirty, it's or missing bag, let's say, because I know it was in a bag, missing bag, and they deciding, okay, we're gonna send you back to the seller itself. So I need to sort it, clean it, double check condition. This one looks perfect. Only these dust and these, you know, like I need to wipe it off, these not good looking parts, and it's gonna be again ready to be resold on Amazon FBA. Obviously what I'm gonna do, small trick, I'm gonna apply some refund to on Amazon stating you've been shipping to me some damaged goods, or it's even not mine item, let's say, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna get some extra money into the pocket because of Amazon mistakes. I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, Thomas, don't do that. It's not moral. But listen, that cost me money to get even in my premises, automatically charging me some extra money for the shipments, which one is done mistake by actual Amazon staff workers. So let's get some money back too. So this is how it looks, what you can do with returns from your Amazon FBA activities. And there's, like I said, multiple options what to choose. You can return to retail itself. You can sell it on eBay. Very popular, like this stuff. Sell it on eBay. That stuff easily. I don't know. You can do various situations with that returns situation. So this is how it looks. I hope you learned some new stuff, and check my other videos on the right side. Till next time.